Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Excel open and the workbook loaded. Now focus on the sheet with the filter. Click any cell inside the filtered range or inside the table so Excel knows the scope. Once done, look at the Data tab and confirm the filter button is highlighted and small drop-down arrows appear in the headers. Make sure you're not on a protected sheet. If so, unprotect it first so you can remove filtering controls. You'll remove the filter now by turning off Excel's filtering feature and by converting tables when needed. On the Data tab, click the Filter button to toggle off the drop-down arrows. That clears the filter but keeps data intact. If your data is an Excel table, go to Table Design and choose Convert to Range to eliminate persistent table filtering behavior. Once done, verify all rows reappear and sorting arrows are gone. You're in the final steps. Scan other worksheets for leftover filters and repeat the removal steps where necessary, then save the workbook to preserve the change. If drop-down arrows persist, check whether the sheet is protected or whether the object is still an Excel table. Unprotect the sheet or convert the table to a range and try again. If filtered rows still hide, use Data Clear to remove active filter criteria before toggling filter off, and then save a copy for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.